Alrighty, so class kick. Um, a couple of things. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a roster. Um, I'm not sure if you want to pay the money for the full class kick, where it saves all of your assignments and student work, or if you just want to do the free one, which means you can have 15 assignments at a time, I think, like 10 or 15. And if you want to create a new one, you just have to delete an old one. So either is fine, it's just preference, I guess. So to create a roster, you're going to click over here on roster and you will click the green circle, new roster. You can name it whatever you want. So for example, if you want to do, I don't think you guys have sections, so you can just say like kindergarten. So name it, you can change the color. And that is that. So let me see. Who's in my way? I have to add a student. Okay. So for this, I would honestly just do a basic, put in your own name to add yourself, and I'll tell you why. Because you're just going to give them a link, so they're not going to have to actually log in. So just put your name as your student, and then you're good. Okay. So if you come back to rosters, you should see your roster there. So create your roster, just put yourself in as a student. Okay. Now for an assignment, you're going to click on assignment. And again, you're going to click this green circle. There's a couple of things you can do. You can browse an assignment library. So if you click that, it'll take you to all of these different assignments that people have made. So if you want to look at pre-K and second, there's a lot of different things here, right? So there's, I mean, you can look through here and see everything. Like there's an about me for, primary, or, you can look through here and see what you might want to use. Or you can search maybe number sense, and I don't see anything. Um, Here we go. Here's like some numbers. So here's count and match, count the bats. This would be, this would actually be perfect. So if we just click this, or even counting fish 1 to 10, and look, there's like fall counting, there's all kinds of them. So if we just do like counting fish and we click it, okay, it is going to show you all of the pages, and you're going to click copy assignment. So once you copy assignment, it's going to show up in your assignment list. Now, obviously, I have lots of assignments, so you won't see all of those. But here it is. So if you click on that, it's going to show you all of the pages here. This is where you can like reorder them, which obviously you wouldn't. But like this one here, you wouldn't necessarily need, so you could delete it, right? Delete. If you wanted to add a page, you just click add a page. Here's where you could name it, description, whatever. Now here's where you would assign it to your kids. You would click assign, assign a roster, and you're just going to click that kindergarten. So now it's assigned to somebody, but when you give it to your kids, you're going to come over here to the class code and click it, copy your link, and paste that in the chat. Now, this is what that looks like to kids. So they paste it. This is what it looks like. It already puts in the class code. They just have to put in their name. So if you want them to put first and last name, last initial, whatever you want. And they would click continue. And they would automatically go straight into the assignment. Okay. Really, really, this is really, really fun for them. Really easy for you because it's already created. So this, I'm pretty sure this teacher had recorded herself. Yes. So it'll read the question to them. Now let me show you some of the tools for when you're in here. This is your drawing tool. So obviously you can draw. This is your highlighter tool. You can change the color, change the thickness. Here's your eraser tool. It'll erase what you've done. Your typing tool, you click it, drag where you want to type. Again, you can change the color, you can change the background, you can change the border, you can make your text smaller, bigger, whatever you want to do. Here's a line tool. Kids can add links, or you can add a link if you want them to go somewhere. Picture, this is really nice if you're doing it about me because they can use their camera and it would take their picture and post it there. They can also upload from a computer. Here's the voice recording. So if you want to add audio, start recording and it'll put it in there like you see right here. So lots of functionality there. If they want you to check an assignment, which I don't know how much you would use with kindergarten, they would just click raise hand and please check, or they can ask you for help. So that's really fun. So if they do please check, I just want to show you what it looks like on the teacher side. So let's say they did this and they want you to check it. I would come over here. I'm already on my assignment. I want to view the work. So if I view the work, it's going to show you all of your students who are working and what slide they're on. If they're on a slide, it's dark black. If they haven't been to a slide, it's still light gray. You can't see it. And you can tell that this student has raised their hand. So you can click it, or you can go up here and go to it. So it's very nice because you can see them working as you go. Okay. Let's go back to the beginning and I'll show you how to create your own assignment. So for example, we go up here, new blank assignment. It automatically starts off with 3 blank pages. You can add, delete, whatever you need to do. You can name your assignment. So we'll just say like addition, something simple. You can make this super simple or you can make it more complex. So if you want to edit a slide, just click the slide. Literally, you can make it 1 + 2. You can do several problems on here. Every kid will see whatever you put on this editing assignment up here. So you can do that. And then the kids would have to solve those problems. You can also, I just got this worksheet up here. You can Google whatever you want and you don't have to pay for this. I'm going to show you a way around that, which I'm sure you already know. If you don't have the snip tool already, I would recommend getting the snip tool. It's called Snipping Tool. I use it daily. So get the snipping tool because it's amazing. Click new. And basically what you're doing is you're going to snip this worksheet out. And see, it gives you the worksheet. You're going to copy. So click copy. Go back to your assignment page. And you have to click the page. And on your keyboard, click Control V. And it'll put this worksheet on here for you. You can make it bigger. And if you want, you can give them directions on what to do. And that would be there for them to complete. On the teacher's side of the tools, you can do like multiple choice, fill in the blank, manipulatives, any of those things. But that is how you create assignments. Now, when you're done editing the assignment, go back and you don't forget to assign it. So I've created what I want them to do. I'm going to assign it. I'm going to assign the roster to my kindergartners and I'm going to click that link, copy, and that's the link that I would put in chat. So I'll just show you what it looks like again so you can see what they would see. So I put that in there. Remember, they have to put their name, click continue, and they see your assignment now. They can't move these because you did that. But they can solve it. And then again, go to page 2 and they see that worksheet that you put up there. So pretty cool stuff. Hopefully that helps you and let me know.